Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to recover forgotten password of Wealthfront. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in wealthfront.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Wealthfront. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option Login. Now you'll be led to the login interface of Wealthfront. If you remember your password, you can simply enter your email and password and log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, simply click on this option, Forgot Password. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is simply enter your email address associated with the Wealthfront account and the instruction will be sent to your email. So simply click on the field of email and enter your email address over here. Now check on this box, I'm not a robot. Now after you do that, click on the submit option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the instruction will be sent to you via email. So simply go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Wealthfront has sent me the email. Simply click on it. Now that particular email will be opened. In this email you'll be able to find the option for reset password. Click on it. Now you'll be redirected to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to reset your password. All you have to do is enter your new password over here. So click on the field of new password and simply enter the new password. Now confirm the password, re-enter the password over here. Now after you do that, check on this box, I'm not a robot. Now click on the option submit that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your password will be changed. Now you'll be able to log into your account using your new password. Simply enter the email and enter your new password. Check on this box, I'm not a robot. Now click on the option login. Now go through the two-factor authentication and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you recover forgotten password of Wealthfront. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.